Step 1. Leave the house.
Please watch together.
Meet up with Timmy. Get to the venue. Film Timmy's solves. Compete in 3x3. Get a +2. Only film 4 of your solves. Realize you're competing in 7x7, but you don't have a 7x7. So you buy a 7x7. Unbox the cube at the drop-off table. Literally do your first turns during the official solve. Your camera battery dies mid-solve. And you just miss cutoff by 4 seconds. Compete in round 2. Your best solve is out of focus. Get another +2. Do the wrong algorithm. Do the wrong algorithm again. And get a DNF because of it. Participate in 5 other events, but don't film any of them. And then go home.